Overcoming negative thoughts is essential for developing a positive mindset. While negative thinking can sometimes feel overwhelming, there are many practical strategies you can employ to challenge and reframe these thoughts. By understanding the nature of negative thinking and learning how to address it, you can create a more optimistic outlook on life. One effective strategy for overcoming negative thoughts is to practice mindfulness. Mindfulness involves paying attention to your thoughts and feelings without judgment. When a negative thought arises, take a moment to observe it, recognizing it as just a thought and not an absolute truth. This can help you create distance from the negative feelings. You might even find it helpful to journal your thoughts, allowing you to reflect on them more objectively. By writing them down, you can see patterns in your thinking that may need to be challenged or transformed. Another powerful technique is cognitive restructuring. This involves identifying negative thought patterns and reframing them into more positive or realistic statements. For example, if you catch yourself thinking, "I always fail," challenge the thought by recalling instances where you succeeded or learned from your experiences. Replace the negative thought with something more constructive, such as, "I can learn and improve for next time." Practicing this regularly can train your brain to focus more on positive outcomes rather than negative expectations. Engaging in positive self-talk can also significantly impact your mindset. The way you talk to yourself matters. Replace criticisms and doubts with affirmations and encouragement. Instead of saying, "I can't do this," try rephrasing it to, "I will give it my best shot." Positive self-talk not only boosts your confidence but also fosters a more supportive inner dialogue. Making this a daily habit can gradually shift your overall perspective and increase your resilience in the face of challenges. Finally, surround yourself with positivity. The people you interact with can greatly influence your mindset. Seek out friends and acquaintances who uplift you and share a positive outlook on life. Additionally, consume positive content, books, podcasts, and videos that inspire and motivate you. By creating an environment rich in positivity and support, you will find it easier to combat negative thoughts and maintain a hopeful mindset. In conclusion, overcoming negative thoughts is a journey that involves various strategies such as practicing mindfulness, cognitive restructuring, using positive self-talk, and surrounding yourself with uplifting influences. By implementing these techniques, you can take significant steps towards cultivating a more positive mindset, allowing you to navigate life's challenges with greater resilience and optimism. Remember, change takes time, but each small effort contributes to a healthier, happier you.